Good day mga ka-newbie, I'm Noel de la Sena and welcome to NOEL EDTECH TV. In today's video, I will share to you the two-way on how to convert Microsoft Word to Microsoft PowerPoint, vice versa. And the first way is for the old version of Microsoft Office, and the second way is the latest or updated Microsoft Office version. But before we start, if you are new here in my YouTube channel or not yet subscribed, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button icon for updated weekly educational video tutorials. Or you can also add me in your Facebook, follow me in Twitter, Instagram, and the link is in the description box below. Shout out first to Maria Wilma Giola Codilla, Nelly Maling, Jorisa Baclor. Now, let's start. So let's open our Microsoft Word. I have here a documents or files about introduction to computer. So this is a 4 pages of introduction to computer. So we will convert the Microsoft Word to Microsoft PowerPoint, and later on from PowerPoint to Microsoft Word. But there is a two-way version of it. The first one is the old version of Microsoft Office, and the second one is the latest version of Microsoft Office, which is using the Office 365. Now, if you are using the Office 365, you cannot convert the Microsoft Word to Microsoft Office with the same procedure of old version. Okay, so I will show you how you can convert. It depends on your Microsoft Office version. Okay, so let's start. So the first procedure in the old version, now all you have to do ay i-open natin dito sa ating command ribbon ang conversion natin. So click nyo itong button, then punta kayo sa more commands, then after that change these popular commands to commands not in the ribbon. Then after that search for the word set or st. Okay, then search for the send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Then click nyo lang yan, select it, and click this add button para lumabas siya dito. Then after that, click OK. As you can see, nandito na sa ating ribbon yung send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Then all you have to do, pag lumabas na yan, just click this ribbon, send to Microsoft PowerPoint, and automatic na siya magko-convert sa ating Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, that is the old version of Microsoft PowerPoint. If you are using Microsoft Word rather, or Microsoft Office, so click nyo lang yan. So but as you can see, nagkaka-error ako because I'm using the latest version of Microsoft Office, which is the Office 365. But that is the same procedure that you're going to do. Now, paano if you're using Microsoft Office 365? How will you convert this Microsoft Word? Okay, so this is the second way. So all you have to do is upload these documents in online. Okay, so open natin yung ating browser and go to office.com. Ito na sa office.com. Okay, Ulitin ko lang. So, click natin office.com, then click enter, then i-sign in nyo na siya para makapasok na kayo. Then after that, select this word and upload your documents. So ako kasi na-upload ko na siya kanina, kaya nandito na siya. Okay, so i-click ko na lang to para ma-open. Okay, after you open the Microsoft Word documents, the next step that you're going to do is just click the file button. Okay, so bago yan, nandito na yung documents natin. Papakita ko lang. So still, there is a 4 pages. Andiyan din yung ating images. So medyo nagkaka-delay lang because of the internet connection. Now, so all you have to do to convert it, click the file. Then after that, click the export. Then select export to PowerPoint presentation. Then pag na-click niyo yan, lalabas itong options. So ito yung presentation, papipili na kayo kung ano yung themes na gagamitin nyo. So may ready-made na themes na siya. So if wala dyan sa mapili nyo, click nyo lang yung see more themes. Then magsasuggest siya if what themes na gagamitin nyo. Okay, for me, siselect ko lang itong options ko or itong pangalawa. So either. So then after that, click export, and automatic the Microsoft 365 will assess and convert your Microsoft Word to PowerPoint presentation, and later on you can download the file at pwede nyo na siyang i-open into Microsoft PowerPoint. Then after that, click nyo lang tong open presentation, then andyan na siya. Okay, so naka-ready na ang ating PowerPoint presentation. So that is our page 1. Then I have here slide number 2. Okay, so nag-generate pa siya. If you want to add pictures, so pwede rin dito. So you can also edit later on. I-edit natin siya. So slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next, i-improve natin ang ating design. So in page 1, in slide number 1, if you select the slide 1, dito sa designer, magsasuggest ulit siya ng iba't ibang design na pwede mong gamitin dito. So mamimili ka dito kung anong design ang gusto mo. So for example, ang gusto ko is itong nasa una or itong nasa pangatlo. Then all you have to do, click nyo lang at babaguhin niya itong slide 1 lang. Okay? Then, next, in slide number 2, so gusto ko nandito yung what is a computer? Question mark. Then, dito, buburahin ko itong what is computer. Yan. So, yan na ngayon ang mangyayari. Then, after that, dito sa designer natin, so magbibigay ulit siya ng suggestion. So, pwede kung ano ang gusto mong piliin dito. So, for example, let's say ito ang pipili natin. Then, click nyo lang at babaguhin nyo lang itong options na ito. Itong slide. Then, in slide number 3, same procedure. Ito rin ang pipilian nyo sa designer kung anong themes ang gusto nyo. Okay, so for example, okay na yan, contento na tayo dyan. Okay, next, all you have to do is file, save. Okay, so save as, then save as routine natin, then change the file name. Let's say introduction to computer, and click save. Then after that, pwede nyo na siyang i-download. Okay, now, how we will convert the Microsoft PowerPoint to Microsoft Word. Okay? So, punta tayo sa Microsoft PowerPoint. Open natin sa offline, hindi sa browser, kundi sa naka-install ng Microsoft Office sa atin. Then, let's open a file. Then, open natin tong Introduction to Computer na sinave natin kanina sa online. Okay, sa office.com para sa madali. Then, wait until na mag-open. Now, ngayon, dahil naka-open na siya, all we have to do is we will convert itong Microsoft PowerPoint to Microsoft Word. So, para makita nyo, i-close ko muna itong browser ko para sabihin nyo na wala ako sa browser. Now, to convert the Microsoft PowerPoint to Microsoft Word, all you have to do, i-click nyo itong file. Then, after po ng file, select nyo po select nyo po ang export. Then, after export, kung mapapansin nyo, wala rito ang Word. So, ang pipiliin nyo po siya ay itong Create Handouts. Okay, then after clicking the Create Handouts, so mapapansin nyo, Create Handouts in Microsoft Word. Then, click nyo ho itong Create Handouts. Then after that, these options ay papapiling ka. So kung gusto nyong editable, so gusto nyong i-edit through text, ang select nyo po ay itong outline only. Pag gusto nyo yung per slide, itong options na ito hanggang dito sa blank lines below. Mamimili lang po kayo dyan. Okay, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura nyan. Okay, so now, piliin muna natin tong outline only. Then, click OK. Then, after that, the Microsoft PowerPoint will convert your slide in PowerPoint to Microsoft Word. So, nagbi-blink na po siya. So, i-click ko na po at yan na po ang kinonvert niya. Kanina, ito yung file natin. Ngayon, nung na-convert siya from PowerPoint, ito na ang file. So, mapapansin nyo, malalaki na siya ang letra. So, pwede nyo na siyang i-edit. Okay? Now, paano natin siya i-edit? So, same procedure. Highlight nyo lang, resize nyo lang siya kung anong size ang gusto nyo. Okay? Kaso, kung mapapansin nyo, kulang na ang information natin. So, yung ibang slide, nawala. Diba? So, slide number 4 hanggang sa dulo, hindi na niya na-convert. Okay. So, try natin yung iba. Okay. So, File, Export, and Create Handouts. Then, Create Handouts. Then, i-click natin itong options na ito. So, blank lines next to slide or pwedeng itong blank lines below slide. So, piliin natin dyan or kahit alin dyan sa gusto nyo. Then, click OK. Then, the PowerPoint again will convert your Microsoft PowerPoint to Microsoft Word. But this time, the slide only. So, nag-click na siya. Ayan ho, yan. So, na-convert niya ang per slide ng Microsoft PowerPoint to Microsoft Word. But this time, it is per slide. So, nagre-read pa rin siya hanggang now. The Microsoft Office is still converting from PowerPoint to Word. So, done na po siya. So, dahil yung pinili natin ay may text, may line, so nalagyan siya ng line. So, still you can edit this one. You can erase it. And, again, you can erase all the lines. It's up to you. And you can see, may slide number siya. Kung anong slide number. And the image is already here. Hindi nyo na lang siya ma-edit because it is already a image of per slide. So that is how you convert the Microsoft Word to PowerPoint and Microsoft PowerPoint to Microsoft Word. That's it mga ka-newbie. Sana meron na naman akong naibahagi sa inyo na bagong kaalaman, at para sa mga susunod na video tutorial, mag-subscribe to this channel and click the bell button icon para sa mga updated video tutorial. If you have any comment, suggestion, don't hesitate to comment below. See you mga ka-newbie. Hanggang sa muli. God bless and stay safe.